Good morning. The lecture series 3, Beyond Coding. That is very, very important because nowadays the mindset of the students has been changed. Uh, Previously, 3 to 5 years, if you are good in the coding, the students thought that the engineering, budding engineers are fields that we could get a very good job in the top MNC company like CTS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, IBM, Aeronautics, Google, Netflix, Apple, and Microsoft. Now the trending change has been changed. The cloud AI SDK, originally Cloud Agent SDK. What does it mean by that? Originally the Cloud Code SDK now broadened to power drives agent loops from deep research and video creation to automated note taking. If you write something prompt, it generates something. But if you are giving the deep research for each of this, so for that we are giving the code to each of them. For example, I am generating one image exactly like similar to me. Okay, if I'm writing prompt something, it's generate similar to me, but it is not exact same as me. Then we have to fine tune them, like generate exact face and skin tone like that. So originally the Cloud Code SDK brought into power diverse agent loops from deep research and video creation to automated note taking. Orchestrated workflows goes beyond prompt engineering alone to enable multiple step agent coordination. That is very, very important. Multiple step. Okay, key insight. The harness infrastructure around the model is as critical as model itself. So goes beyond prompt engineering alone to enable multiple agent coordination. The harness infrastructure around the model is as critical as model itself. So real world impact productivity gains. Daily usage, 59% daily usage. Entrepreneur engineers use cloud in 59% of their daily work. The 50% productivity gain. The report improved in output and quality and speed. That is 67% for PRS major, 27% new task attempted is very, very important. How cloud assisted work involved tasks not previously attempted to top up use case, debugging 55%, debugging that is very code understanding 42%, and new code implementation is 37%. Next, cloud for engineering key applications. First one is code generation. The natural language found for boilerplate and future implementation ship faster with less repetitive work. The understanding and debugging. They explain the complex code bases, trace bugs, and fix error with AI-guided analysis. Next, CI/CD infrastructure as code. Automated DevOps pipelines generate IAC templates and reduce manual configuration overhead. That is called as CI/CD infrastructure as a code. Next, config file review. Ensure compliance, enforce best practices, and catch misconfiguration before they ship. The context engineering advantage. The cloud code operates as both as context engineering and execution agent. The quality of the output is a direct function of the quality of the context provided. That is very, very important. The cloud code operates as both its context engineering and execution agent. The quality of the output is a direct function of the quality of the context provided. Cloud MD files define projects, receive context and convention that cloud reason before executing changes. The context management. The future of engineering with the cloud AI today. Cloud as a collaborative coding partners, not just a tool, but precision engineering embedded in your workflow. That is very, very important. Cloud as a collaborative coding partner, not just a tool, but a reason engineering embedded in your workflow. Long-term vision, AI handling complex, long-running engineering and the talk from the architecture design to production monitoring. Near future, expanded agentic capabilities and SDKs enabling autonomous multi-step engineering workflows. So at last, I want to tell at last is the cloud AI empowering the next generation of the engineers. So how the engineers reduce the gap between institute and industry, we have to reduce the transferring how code is written, understood and managed, driving unprecedented productivity innovation across every engineering team. Collaborative, Q1 plus AI working as a team, intelligent reason, planning and execution, empowered by cloud. The future of the engineers starts here. Thank you, Ansar.